Hi, here's how to fix your Storm Coolmaster Devastator keyboard. So my keyboard isn't working, none of the keys work at all. So I flipped it over and there are 19 screws you need to remove. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And flip it over and lift up. Okay, the front is off, and on the right hand corner, the issue is with this thing here. There's not enough pressure, downward pressure, to force the connections together for the keyboard to work. So what I did was, I got a credit card, 2 of them, and I cut little strips, around 1 centimeter strips from an old card. 1 centimeter, another centimeter, another centimeter. I just marked it with pen and then I cut across. So I used 2 cards and I just made strips of plastic. And I just made it so that the height of the plastic cards matched the white portion of the keyboard. So you can see here it's flush, and I just taped it with some electrical tape. And taped it down and replaced the cover. I screwed it up and everything, and it worked. So there you go, cheap and easy way to fix your keyboard and stop it from going to the landfill and becoming a piece of trash. Okay, bye.